Hi everyone, I'm Rob Nye with Aviara Boats. Today I'm here on our all-new AV28 OB. AV28 series just debuted a little over a month ago. I'm extremely excited to share more with you about it. We offer the AV28 in 3 different variants: an outboard, stern drive, and the all-new AV28S, which is our first surf-centric variant. Today I'm on the AV28 equipped with the twin outboard 250s and joystick piloting. We know on an Aviara we really want to focus on using the boat and the experience, not just a luxury boat, but also the interaction with the water. Starting off with the transom area, you'll know it's a nice wide platform. You still have room and space to walk between the engines and the sun pad. Got a great undermount ladder here, grab handle to help yourself pull up, and our sun pad we always know is a source of wanting more room on the boat. So this will actually slide out an additional 11 inches here at the sun pad to give you more space when you're stopped, hanging out in a cove, hanging out the sandbar, wherever else you may be. Also, we know sitting back here is another place you want to always be comfortable. The seat back here, we actually have the same foam profile as the seats within the boat, so you can sit here, hang out, and relax while you're enjoying the water. Underneath my feet here, you also have storage for 3 additional fenders. As we step inside the boat, we wanted to give you a nice entertainment first layout. Nice beamy boat. Aviara is known for our ride and comfort on the water, but also the space we have. So you'll notice here on the variant I'm on today, it's equipped with the wet bar. You can get seating over here on the starboard side, or on this boat we have the wet bar equipped with a grill and a refrigerator, all packaged into a 28-foot boat. Another area of innovation on the AV28 is this power folding hardtop above me. Our designers and engineers really tried to come up with a solution to lower a hardtop, allow you to get under bridges, put in your dry stack, go into your nice boathouse, but it actually will clamshell down all electronically at the push of a button from either the helm or the transom area. It's a really unique and nice feature found on the AV28 series. It's standard on the S and it's an available option on the other variants. In addition to the power folding hardtop, you can also get a nice rear view camera mounted on the top, which really makes it nice to see boats coming up on you or for anybody that might be pulled behind the boat. Also, on the port side, you'll notice the seat back here will slide fore to aft, allowing you to expand your space for entertaining zone, or if you want to have somebody to help navigate the water, you can have it slid in the backward position and help there with the captain along the way. Another thing Aviara is known for is our nice clean dashes. You don't have a lot of buttons and switches and controls that clutter up and ugly the dash. You'll notice our nice proprietary screen here on the right that controls all the systems on the boat, and a nice 12-inch SIMRAD to show you where you're going, and also redundant engine system controls on the boat. Also at the helm, got a nice big double wide helm seat if you want to sit with a friend or family member while you're navigating the water, and a nice adjustable bolster seat. Also the helm seat, commonly found on a lot of these nice wide seats, they only have one position in that. This has got 4 positions so you can actually slide it depending on your body size. As we move through the boat, you'll notice this doorway here. The AV28 series comes equipped with a standard head, with standard electric toilet, sink, fresh water, all on a 28-foot size. Also, the nice centerline head allows us a nice deep head, deeper than most 28s on the market. Going to the bow, you'll notice Aviara's port side entry. What that allows us to do is have a nice, deep interaction zone on the boat. Also, to get out in rougher conditions, whether you're out on the intercoastal area near shore, or if you're up on the Great Lakes or just a large inland body of water, you've got a nice deep area here on the boat, so you can tell how nice and deep, how comfortable and confident those that are sitting in the bow area can feel. You can get a nice bow filler cushion up here as well, and all the storage is hinged so you can place all your vest or anything else you may bring with you. Throughout the boat, you'll notice cup holders placed. Also nice little slots here to put your phones wherever you may have cup holders, so you're not having to sacrifice a cup holder for a phone. And then you've got USB stereo controls, both in the bow and at the transom of the boat. Lastly, I always like to talk about Aviara and the styling. We really believed in progressive style of our boats, but also modern comfort and nice conveniences on the boat, along with quality details, and last but not least, the elevated control on the water, whether that may be an outboard, an S, and then all the different curated colors you can select between the different metal colors. This boat here we're on is beautiful, it's the Coastal Blue edition, or you can go with a more aggressive boat like the boat next to us, which is a black with dark gray. If you want to learn more about the AV28, please check us out on aviaraboats.com or go to MarineMax.com.